Exploring the terrain, picture the corporate world as a vast landscape, where companies stand side by side like peaks on a range, each shaped by its own strategies, strengths, and stumbles. This journey surveys 8 pairs of such entities, drawn from the stock market's expanse to reveal the diversity of their foundations, the sway of their fortunes, and the shifting winds of investor perception. The focus rests not on fleeting numbers, but on the enduring traits that distinguish one from another, offering a lens into the broader dynamics of value and ambition. Profiles in contrast. Cornerstone Property Fund and Apex Development Group. One stands as a pillar of tradition, a real estate steward with deep roots and a measured pace, guided by seasoned hands. Its growth unfolds steadily, its burdens light, resembling a vessel gliding through calm waters. The other bursts forth with restless energy, a real estate upstart that sprawls into vineyards, gyms, tech ventures, and beyond. Its rapid ascent carries a heavy shadow of debt and complexity, a whirlwind of bold moves and fragile footing. Stability meets audacity here, with the market often dazzled by the latter's flash over the former's quiet strength. SkyTech Solutions and Aerodynamics Inc. Both navigate the aerospace realm, yet their rhythms differ sharply. 1. A youthful innovator crafts cutting-edge systems with a profit spark that outshines its modest sales. The other, a veteran manufacturer, churns out components with steady reliability, its larger revenue overshadowed by a slower gait. The market lifts the newcomer's promise higher, while the elder's tangible worth lingers underappreciated, a tale of potential versus proven. Vitality Pharma and Nexus Medical Supplies. These health sector titans thrive in parallel fields, one blending pharmaceuticals with wellness, the other equipping care with tools. Both boast resilience and robust foundations, though their edges vary. One gleams with sharper profit margins, the other surges in sales growth. Their valuations stretch beyond their asset bases, a nod to their luster, but a hint of the risks beneath the surface. TaxSwift Services and Gearworks Industries. Emerging from distinct corners, these newcomers carve divergent paths. One dominates a rugged niche of industrial gear, its gains doubling amid cyclical tides, offering a modest price and steady yield. The other, a tax-prep dynamo, rockets from obscurity to prominence, its valuation soaring far beyond its earnings. Ambition clashes with grit, the market favoring the swift riser over the grounded climber. Nuance Innovations and Titan Machinery, Co. A twist unfolds here. A lesser-known creator of specialty chemicals outshines a famed giant of heavy equipment. The former's lean margins and swift profit growth eclipse the latter's vast sales and stagnant returns. Prestige bows to performance, with the market prizing the quiet alchemist over the lumbering titan. Power Grid Systems and Insight Publishing. Sharing a prefix but not a destiny, these two diverge sharply. One powers utilities with steady equipment sales, its reliability a quiet anchor. The other rides a publishing wave, its valuation doubled despite recent profit slips. The market's favor tilts toward the latter's fading gleam, leaving the former's solidity in shadow. Omni Ventures Inc. and Precision Home Goods. Complexity meets clarity in this pair. One sprawls across entertainment, finance, and niche trades, a conglomerate of streaming, loans, and novelties, its worth, inflated by intricate financial threads. The other hones a singular craft, making kitchen essentials with focus and efficiency. The market embraces the tangled sprawl, while the streamlined maker stands undervalued. Lift Tech Equipment and Fusion Enterprises. The final duo defies easy logic. 1. A veteran of lifting machinery, delivers consistent earnings and a generous yield, its legacy spanning decades. The other, a chaotic patchwork of ventures from robotics to pet goods, stumbles with losses, yet commands a premium. Steadfast reliability contrasts with erratic ambition, the market inexplicably drawn to the latter's disarray. Insights from the landscape. These pairings, chosen to highlight stark contrasts, span industries and scales, unveiling the investor's perennial challenge. Growth and profit often fetch high regard, a natural tilt, yet the chasm between price and intrinsic worth swings unpredictably. Some entities bask in overblown acclaim, driven by momentum rather than merit. Others linger as overlooked treasures, their substance drowned by indifference. Market sentiment ebbs and flows, at times detached from reason. The task lies not in chasing the next peak, but in discerning where value rests quietly, ready to reward those who look beyond the horizon's glare.